Okay, so here we go. Hang on, I gotta hold the door for my grandma.
Thank you, honey.
Welcome.
You gotta identify these ducks for me.
Okay, I'm gonna help my grandpa identify ducks.
There are these two right here.
Redhead.
Yep. Drakes or hens?
Drake.
Correct. Okay. So we're gonna have to go around or jump or something. What is that one with the green head?
Some type of shoveler.
Correct. Drake or hen?
Drake?
Correct. And what is that black and white one with the little purple luminous on its head?
Bluebell?
With his leg up in the air towards us.
Bluebell?
No. That big white thing on his cheek.
I don't know.
I'll give you a hint. Look at his eye.
Goldeneye.
Golden eye. Correct. Okay, now see over on the shore over there? Standing on the rock, on the edge?
The ones clean themselves?
Yes. What kind are they?
Green winged merganser. Green winged teal.
Correct. And then...
That one?
What about the one that just went in the water with the white on the side of his head?
Red-hooded merganser.
Yep. Correct.
That's a Drake redhead.
Right here?
Yeah.
Nope.
That one isn't a Drake redhead?
Nope.
Oh.
Pintail.
Oh, yeah. Dad's been talking to me about pintails.
Has he?
Mm-hmm.
You see any more Drake redheads out here? Correct.
There. Whoa!
How about those two?
What? One of
How
those.
about those three in the water, right underneath the log right there? They're all together.
Bluebill?
Nope. Ruddy duck.
Ruddy duck? I haven't heard of those.
Yeah, ruddy duck.
They're trying to fly.
What are those two?
Those two that are trying to fly?
They're just splashing around.
Female merganser? I mean, what? Female redhead?
No.
I meant to say female mallard. That's what I meant to say.
Okay.
Is the eagle still out or is it too close to him? So how you can tell a bird is a green-winged teal? I know it's really hard to see. If you were to stop and zoom this in, you'd see that green on the side of its head. That's how you know it's a green winged teal. And look, a bald eagle. Now bald eagles aren't actually bald. They just get that because of their head and white fur. Okay, so there's that. I mean white feathers, not white fur. Cool. I just learned facts. I
should have had you wear that face mask or something. She's a cold.
I just learned something. Mallards are dabblers. I didn't know what it was called, but it's called dabbler.
They are dabblers.
I didn't know what a dabbler is until now. Oh, geez, redheads swim underwater?
Yep. They're divers. They dive under and they swim a long way underwater. A very long way.
How long?
Well,
Why are they trying to fly away?
probably, I would say, see those people are walking down that ramp?
Mm-hmm.
Probably not quite that far, but almost that far.
Why are they trying to fly away?
They're not. They're cleaning themselves.
Well, that's like themselves?
Yep. Mm-hmm.
Like clean themselves two ways. Oh, wait, hold on. I think I see one that I know.
Actually, they're cleaning themselves, and when they're picking at one, see how they pick at their wings over there? Over on the shore?
Yeah.
Over there, for that hut.
Yeah, I see it.
Okay, see how they pick at themselves?
Mhm.
They're actually putting oil on their feathers.
That I think I knew.
Okay? That's a what?
Red-breasted merganser.
The merganser, but it's not, I don't think it's red-breasted.
Wood duck.
Wood duck, yeah.
They can swim fast, I'll tell you that much. Oh shoot, I didn't get my people to see that. Oh, there. Ah, my gosh. Whoever's watching this, I am so sorry. I'm just nervous. I haven't done this before. Okay? Alright, so I'm gonna give you a way better look at the bald eagle. There you go. And that's real bald eagle. Real. And since I've last been here, which was in October, it never moved from that same branch. Never, ever, ever.
Is that where it was?
Yeah, that's where it was. Well, there's blue-winged teals. Where are the blue-winged teals? Right there. Blue-winged teal.
Rose, please come here. Dora.
Oh, so that's all I have for you for right now. Be right back soon. Okay, bye.